Hello YouTube, Triumph Guy here today, and today I'm going to be changing a air filter on a 300 GD W460 Mercedes G-Wagon. This one's from 1990, so let's get to it. So a bit of a design flaw, because if you undo these clips and then twist it, it gets caught on the master cylinder. I know this isn't a generic master cylinder, however, even if it's there, you can't really do it. Undo these two 13mm bolts first and move the air filter out of the way. So it does pull out of these two bits down here, it slots into there, and you've just got two clips, one there, and one there. All you do is just twist it and pull it out. Now all you do is you pull these out. As you can see, the difference between the two, pretty mental. Just take this out, put that there. There you go, you can see the two there. If you are going to clean this out and not replace it, I mean, I would recommend just replacing it. Use compressed air from the inside outwards, but just be careful, you might slip the filter element itself. So if you are going to clean it, air from the inside out, but I wouldn't recommend it on these particular filters. New one in, this bit on as well, push that in, good to go. Push it in and twist it so this is over that, and then re-secure the clips on both sides. Excuse the black hands, this is from when I had an exhaust leak a while ago. I still need to clean it all up. That's it all done. Last tip of the day. Obviously not on all air intake systems you have to do it, but I just go around and double check to make sure these are nice and tight still. And there's no rips anywhere, because obviously then that would just mean that's redundant, but that's just personally something I do. It's a nice short one today. If you have got any questions, put it in the comments. You should be fine. Your air intake might look slightly different because you haven't got a turbo on yours probably, but yeah, for more content on the W460 G-Wagon, then check out my playlist. I'll put that in the comments, and also I'll be doing more videos on it soon.